Inserting new worksheets into your spreadsheets in Excel is pretty quick and easy, so let's look at 3 different ways that you can do that. The first way is to come down to the bottom left corner and with your mouse just click on that plus button, which is the new sheet button. And as you can see, that's inserted a new sheet called Sheet 2. If I click on it again, it will insert another one called Sheet 3. The second way to do it is to right-click with your mouse on any of the tabs for the sheets that are already created, and in the pop-up menu, just click on Insert. Make sure Worksheet is selected and then press OK. And as you can see, that's created Sheet 4. The final way to do it is to go up to the Home tab in the ribbon, click on the drop-down menu for Insert, and then select Insert Sheet. And as you can see, that's created a new worksheet called Sheet 5. So that's 3 different ways you can insert new sheets in Excel.